Mr. President, panelists and delegates, people in prison are among the most vulnerable to suffering from the negative effects and human rights violations linked to climate change, including natural hazards and extreme weather. Unlike people in the community, they cannot protect their rights, make their own decisions to evacuate to safer areas or stock up on basic supplies. They are largely dependent on prison staff to ensure their health and rights are protected during disasters, and their inherent vulnerability is heightened when prisons are overcrowded, poorly constructed, or lacking adequate sanitation. The safety and rights of prison staff are also at risk, and in recent years, people detained and working in prisons have been injured, sometimes fatally, due to damage caused by natural hazards, exacerbated by inadequate preparations, plans, or steps taken by prison authorities to ensure their safety. With almost 30% of the global prison population in the 12 countries most exposed to natural hazards, it is vital that rights-based emergency and disaster risk reduction plans are in place, and that prison management and staff are equipped to respond effectively to manage or evacuate prisons safely. These plans should be based on international standards and best practice, be designed according to the local situation, which may differ from other prisons in the country, and consider the impact on individuals' human rights, including health and well-being and necessary safeguards. People deprived of their liberty can also participate in preparedness where they are included, for example in evacuation drills and training on disaster risk reduction and emergency response. We thank you for today's discussion and call on Member States, the Special Rapporteur and all stakeholders to ensure that the rights of people deprived of liberty and those working in places of detention are not forgotten in measures to prepare for and manage the increasing impacts of climate change and new or evolving risks and changes to the environment. Thank you.